Have you ever wondered why some women get deeply attached to a man, while others never really do, no matter how much time you spend together? Here's the hidden truth. Emotional attachment isn't about time. It's about impact. When a woman is truly attached, you'll run through her mind during her morning coffee, while she's busy at work, and even as she's falling asleep at night. And the more she thinks about you, the more she craves you. That craving makes her more affectionate, more invested, and yes, often more physically drawn to you. But here's the twist most men don't see coming. Too much attachment can backfire. She can slip into jealousy, neediness, or constant demands for attention. Instead of being the dream girl you imagined, she ends up smothering the relationship. That's why the real key is balance. You want her emotionally pulled toward you, but not so hooked that she loses control and the spark dies. And in this video, I'll break down 11 powerful psychological strategies that make a woman deeply attached while keeping the relationship exciting, healthy, and fun. These are simple but proven techniques that act like emotional magnets. By the end, you'll know how to create a strong bond without ever sacrificing your freedom. Stay with me until the end, because strategy number 11 is the one mistake almost every guy makes, and it can completely ruin her attachment. So let's dive in. Strategy number 1, give her space to miss you. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's one of the most powerful ways to spark emotional attachment. If you're always texting, always calling, always around, she never gets a chance to feel your absence. Without space, there's no craving. Most guys smother a girl they like, trying to spend every possible moment together. But here's the reality. The more available you are, the less she values your presence. She takes you for granted when she never has the chance to wonder about you. That's why space is powerful. Be intentional. Don't text or call constantly. Don't spend every day together. End conversations while the energy is still high, so she's left wanting more. When there's space, curiosity kicks in. Why hasn't he texted me? Is he busy or with someone else? That uncertainty creates intrigue, and intrigue is the foundation of emotional attachment. Give her the gift of missing you, and she'll begin to chase. Step 2, playfully tease her. Once you've created space, keep the energy fun. Teasing isn't about being rude, it's about sparking little bursts of unpredictability. Give her a cute nickname, playfully misinterpret what she says. Tease her about her quirks, like always ordering the same drink or running late. When you do this, she relaxes. She laughs. She starts to link you with light-hearted, exciting emotions. And emotions are contagious. If she feels good around you, she'll want more of you. That's not just flirting, it's psychology. Teasing builds emotional highs that hook her deeper. Step 3, encourage her to chase you. Here's the secret. If you want her truly invested, she needs to feel like she's chasing you. When she spends her energy pursuing you, she bonds more deeply because people value what they work for. How do you spark that chase? End conversations at the peak, not the decline. Let her text first sometimes. Don't always be the one planning. Leave space for her to suggest it. Every time she takes initiative, she's investing. And every investment pulls her closer. Even in small ways, her attachment deepens. Here's why. If you're always the one chasing, she never has to try. She never worries about losing you. But when she chases, even just a little, she starts to feel that subtle fear of losing your attention. And that's what fuels emotional attachment. Step 4, reward her when she chases. This is where most guys blow it. Yes, you want her to put in effort, but if you act cold or dismissive when she does, she'll stop. Don't punish her effort, reward it. Now, Reward doesn't mean spoiling her with gifts or becoming her servant. It means making her feel valued for the effort she gives. If she plans a date, show genuine appreciation. If she compliments you, smile and acknowledge it. If she does something thoughtful, let her see it matters to you. These small recognitions create a powerful feedback loop. She invests, you reward, she invests even more. That's how emotional lock-in happens. When a woman feels seen and appreciated for chasing you, she doesn't just stay interested, she gets hooked. Step 5. Never chase her. This one's non-negotiable. Chasing sends the wrong message. I need you more than you need me. And women pick up on that instantly. The moment you chase, the balance flips. She starts seeing herself as the prize, and you as the one competing. That kills attraction, weakens respect, and dissolves her emotional connection. Instead, let things flow naturally. Don't force it. The less you chase, the more she values what she has to earn. Give her the space to come to you. When you stop chasing, you instantly become more mysterious, more attractive, and far more powerful in her eyes. Think of it like a flower. You can't force it open by pulling on the petals. You'll only destroy it. But when you let it bloom naturally, the beauty reveals itself on its own. The same applies here. Stop chasing. Let her curiosity, her desire draw her closer. But here's the part most men miss. Once she's drawn to you, you must create a space where she feels completely safe to share her emotions. Without that, she'll never allow herself to truly attach. Rule 6. Never judge her. If you want a woman to open up, she has to feel safe. Nothing shuts her down faster than judgment. When she shares her feelings, her mistakes, or even her past, phrases like, "Why would you do that? What were you thinking?" instantly feel like rejection. And rejection makes her close off. Instead, you need to create emotional safety. That means listening without interrupting. Asking open-ended questions like, "What happened next?" Or, "How did that make you feel?" Showing empathy even when you don't fully understand her perspective. When she feels accepted at her most vulnerable, that's when trust forms. And trust is the foundation of real emotional attachment. Remember, attraction might spark her interest, but emotional safety is what keeps her there. 7. Touch with purpose. Touch is one of the most powerful forms of human connection. It bypasses logic and goes straight to her emotions. When you touch a woman gently and respectfully, you awaken feelings she'll forever associate with you. Here's how. Hold her hand while walking. Place your arm around her casually, yet protectively. Give real hugs, warm, grounding hugs, not quick surface-level ones. Kiss her forehead, cheek, or hand, not just to show desire, but to show care. These gestures say something deeper. You're safe with me. When your touch carries comfort, safety, and excitement, she starts craving it, and, by extension, craving you. 8. Speak to her emotions. Most men kill attraction with surface-level transactional conversations. "What did you do today? Where was that concert? That's boring." Facts don't bond her to you. Emotions do. So when she tells you she went to a music festival, don't ask where. Ask, what moment gave you chills? How did it feel being in the crowd? That makes her relive the emotions. And when you share your own experiences in return, you create an emotional mirror. This builds intimacy. She begins to feel like you're the one person who actually understands her, and that sense of being understood is magnetic. 9. Make her laugh. Attraction skyrockets when she enjoys being around you, and nothing makes your presence addictive faster than laughter. Humor isn't just entertainment. It's one of the strongest bonding experiences in psychology. You're planting emotional anchors in her mind. Every time she thinks of you, she recalls how good you made her feel. And here's the thing, you don't need to be a stand-up comedian. You don't need rehearsed jokes. Humor is simply about being playful, present, and not taking yourself too seriously. So, how do you do it? Use light sarcasm, never cruel. Playfully exaggerate everyday situations. Share funny stories where you messed up in a silly way. When she sees you can laugh at yourself, she relaxes. She feels comfortable, and that comfort becomes a powerful emotional connection. Remember this, men who make women laugh don't just win attention, they win hearts. 10. Stop trying to impress her. This is where most men blow it. They think the way to spark attachment is by bragging, showing off, or proving they're better than the next guy. But here's reality. When you try to impress, you're silently putting her above you. You're saying, I need your approval. And she feels that instantly. It kills attraction. The fix? Authenticity. Don't prove your value. Live it. Let her naturally see your ambition, your passions, your purpose, not in a forced way, but simply by being consistent in who you are. When you're comfortable in your own skin, when you don't crave validation, she feels a magnetic pull toward you. Confidence attracts. Desperation repels. 11. Let her express her emotions. Fully. This is the piece most men miss. When a woman shares her emotions, whether joy, sadness, or embarrassment, don't shut her down. Don't minimize. Don't change the subject. If she's laughing, let her laugh. If she's crying, let her cry. If she's excited, celebrate with her. Why? Because emotions are energy. When you let her release that energy around you, she bonds deeper with you. Cut her off and she feels misunderstood. Allow her flow and she feels safe, accepted, and connected. And when a woman feels safe to express her full emotional range with you, that's when real, lasting, emotional attachment begins. So, let's break it down. If you want a woman to bond with you on a deep emotional level, without the relationship slipping into toxicity, here's the formula. Give her space to miss you. Tease her in a playful way. Let her chase you. Reward her when she does. Never chase her. Never judge her. Touch her with intention, not desperation. Have conversations that connect to her emotions. Make her laugh. Stop trying to impress her. And above all, let her express herself fully. When you live by these principles, something shifts. She doesn't just like being around you. She craves it. You become her safe place, her spark, her addiction. She feels emotions with you she can't put into words, and that's where true attachment is born. Here's the truth most men miss. She won't remember every clever line you said, but she will never forget how you made her feel. If you can make her feel understood, valued, safe, and alive, she'll keep coming back for more. If this message resonated, hit that like button so more men can uncover these hidden dynamics. Subscribe to Dark Psychology for deeper insights into attraction and relationships. And let me know in the comments, which of these 11 points do you find the hardest to apply? I want to hear your story. Until next time, this is Amelia from Dark Psychology, helping you unlock the secrets of the female mind.